Hello viewer, it's good to have you here. Welcome to King's Remedies channel. If you are new to the channel, click the subscribe button and join the family, because you are awesome. Leave a comment and like the video. Don't forget to share the video with friends and family if you like our content, we will be grateful. Hi guys, hope you are having a good time wherever you are. We will be happy to hear from you in the comment section and of course telling us where you are watching from. We love you and thanks for supporting the channel. Do you guys have issues with lips being dry and not moisturized? I know most of you have the problem. You are on a date and that opportunity moment you have been waiting for arrives only for you to start licking your lips. Ha ha ha. Worry no more, gentlemen. In this video I will teach you how to make your lips pink and delicious. Can I get a thank you in the comment section? Girls don't like seeing guys licking their lips when getting ready for a kiss. Here is the list of supplies you will need to make this magical remedy. 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, some beetroot to get the juice, 1 teaspoon of glycerin, 1 vitamin E capsule. Preparation. First put 1 teaspoon of Vaseline in a bowl and melt. Blend the beetroot to get the juice which we shall use in the remedy. This will give the lips that pink color. After that you can add the other ingredients in the bowl. Mix all ingredients in the bowl and put it in a nice small portable container. Place in the fridge for 30 minutes to solidify. Application. First start by brushing your lips using normal toothpaste. You can add some bit of honey if you like. Wash off the toothpaste and apply the moisturizer and you are ready to sleep. Your lips will be moisturized and appealing the next day. Thank you for watching our videos. You can subscribe and click the bell notification to get notified when we upload a video. Share the video with friends and family. Bye from us and have a lovely week.